Okay, let me show you how this fan works. A solitary cooling fan. So when you see over here, they have so many mode, and over the top, you can just open this, add water. For me, I add some ice in here too, and you can see so many mode. Alright, so this is fan 1, 2, 3 speed, and the mode you can make it very cold or less cold. You got the light over here and timing 2 hour, 4 hour or 8 hour. Wow, you can see, right? It's coming out. Nice and cold. Love it. Feels so good in the hot day. Beautiful. Great fan to have it. Love it.